Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you another easy hairstyle that you can do yourself. We're going to start by parting the hair and we're going to leave some big pieces in the front. And I'm sectioning this one and then on the other side as well. As you can see, I left a big part on the top. This is going to be for our inside out French braid. And then it's gonna come at the end with a lower bun or a low updo. We're gonna take the front part, we're gonna section it in 3 pieces. So we can do the inside out French braid and all the pieces will go each under the other one. We're adding hair while braiding the inside out braid. This is a great hairstyle for blonde girls or with girls that have highlights because the braid is going to show very well. Try to pull the hair as much as you want to show the braid, but not at the end, but while you're braiding, because at the end you won't have the possibility to take everything out as easy as while braiding. So again, doing a couple of them and then pulling out some parts of the braid. And also in the front, try to pull as much as hair as you want to create the volume. Now we're going in the back part and at the same time we're just braiding. We're adding some hair while braiding. And then the parts that are coming outside, we're just taking them out. And then we are going to braid the whole thing all the way down to create a braid from this middle part. This is also going to be the part to create the bun from, so we need as much hair as possible and as much braided hair as possible because the bun is going to be nicer if everything is braided. So all the way down, and then we're just using a rubber band. For the bun, we're just gonna roll it. You can go around. I like to just go inside a little bit and then just pin it with some bobby pins. For any pieces that are left, you can just stick them in with some bobby pins and please use a mirror in the front so you can help yourself to see what's going on over there. For the front parts, you can just pull them back and wrap them around that bun that you created, but I like to do some twist. I'm leaving some pieces out that I can curl so it looks nicer. And then with 2 pieces of hair, I just wrap them and twist them and then adding hair while twisting everything. So twist and then just adding a little bit of hair. Now I'm gonna fix all that part with a bobby pin. And then I'm leaving out this hair because I'm gonna wrap it around the bun. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So take 2 pieces of hair, then wrap them around and then add hair while wrapping those 2 pieces. The pieces that are left, I'm just gonna put them around the bun and put them inside. I'm trying to just hide everything that's coming out And as you can see, we can still see the bun is a little bit braided, so that is really nice. And if you want from that those pieces that are braided, you can still take some pieces out to create some volume. I'm trying to curl a little bit in the front. You can just leave them out or pull everything in the back. It's totally up to you. And this is going to be the final look. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day.